Um, how you doing? So basically, what I'll try to explain the land. So you see the black line. So this have to be a lot. The road that's coming here. Do not how I explain this now. Do not take it out of these two lots, please. This lot, please update the square meter amount based on this. Keep this black line supposed to be purple. This is one lot. This is our next lot. This road, just put a line in yellow, but it's not taken up from this amount of square meters. Hopefully, I'm clear. Okay. So this here will be this lot. This here will be this lot.